साइकेल भी जमी लोक डिमांड थिला आज मु ठेला गाड़ी करके नेशनल स्ट्रीट फूड फेस्टिवल रे अवार्ड जीतुची सेतरे भी लोकंकर भी डिमांड अछि
नहीं सब पछरे जिया अछि पछरे 70 75 वर्ष हेरा खाली ड्राइवर आलम दिया
I've been a regular customer to here. Yeah, I just like its taste. I'm a total Dahi Vada fan.
Prachi!
Rajashri!
Yes!
You are in Cuttack! Oh my god!
You are from Cuttack, right?
Yeah.
So please let me have some delicious foods. I'm craving for food right now.
Okay, Rajashri. This is Prachi and this is Rajashri. We are welcoming you to another brilliant episode where we two hungry birds are
In a different zone.
So let's go and dive into Dahi Vadas. Come, Rajashri, let's go. Chalo.
So,
let our friends know where we are, and we are at Raghu Dahi Vada. And I guess this is the oldest Dahi Vada shop here in Cuttack.
yes.
Where the owner started making Dahi Vada, and as you can see, there's only Dahi Vada and Aloo Dum. There's no ghugni. There's no garnishing of onion or coriander, nothing. So let's give it a try. Prachi, I can't wait to have the piece. As I have tasted, so let's first see her reaction, how she like it or not. The bara is so soft, Prachi. You tried the bara, I'm trying the aloo. We are getting the dried chili flakes taste, and it's literally very spicy. Simultaneously, it's very tasty.
Also very spicy.
Yes, so it's highly recommendable. Cuttack, Raghu Dahi Vada. Do come.
In the Bidanasi area.
Yes, do come, visit and have this taste.
Definitely, guys.
Now I think we are done enough. Let's enjoy our food.
Why you have come from Bhubaneswar to Cuttack to eat Raghu Dahi Vada? I'm a big sweet tooth as well as spicy tooth. So I really love the spiciness over here, and especially the dahi pani I love here. So I came like almost 40 minutes traveling. So I came here to eat just.
There is no garnishing over here. With the just juice of the aloo curry, we have the bara. That's so tasty over here. So that's what I like here.
तो रघु भाई दहीबरा एक नंबर दहीबरा ये भल लगे दहीबरा पूरा सॉफ्ट हुए दहीबराटा आलदम तो बहुत बेस्ट हुए स्पाइसी भी हुए कि बहुत बढ़िया लगे
हमरा अलग है खाली ड्राइवर आलम दिया से प्याज ना कि विभिन्न
मैंने ये डिफरेंट जिंस काई आपण भाबिले समस्त सेव पियाज आलू घुगनी
नहीं सब पछरे जिया अछि पछरे 70 50 वर्ष हेला से ड्राइवर आलम केवड़ा हो
ଆଉ ଏଇଠି ଆପଣ ଦି ପ୍ରକାର
मिठा बरा गोटा हो सादा बरा गोटा मिठा बरा आलदम
କେତେ ଲୋକ ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି
डेल तो 300 400 प्लेट ଆମର ଖୋଲା ହଉଥିଲା 4:30 5ଟା ଭିତରେ ଖୋଲା ବେଟିକି ଶୀତ ଦିନ ପାଇଁ 4ଟାରୁ ଖୋଲା ନା ଆମର ତ ଗରାଗ ଦୁନିଆ ଫେରନ୍ତି ଆମର କାପାସିଟି ଯେତିକି ସେତିକି ଅଛି
Guys, as you can see, we got, in Odia we say this peda.
Peda.
We will get this after that spicy dahi vada aloo dum.
Of course.
So let's try.
After that spicy dahi vada Prachi, this peda heals my heart. And we will see you guys in the next location.
Let's
Go.
go.
Let's go.
We are at our next location. We are at Krushak Market at Babula Bhai Dahi Vada Aloo stall, in front of the stall. And
Prachi, do you know they have brought laurels to the street
Yes.
by being adjust the best street food of East Zone at the National Street Food Festival.
Yes, you are absolutely correct, Rajeshri. So, without any delay, let's go and
Prachi, I can't wait to taste this. Please, let's go.
please, let's start. Let's start. The taste is amazing. The potatoes are so soft, and taste is also present inside the potato. The stuff,
Also, the dahi vada is so sweet.
sweet and soft, very delicate, I'll say, and it's just melting in our mouth.
And I am enjoying
And I can't see you like that. Let me join you.
Okay.
ମୁଁ ଦହିବରା ବ୍ୟବସାୟ ସାଇକେଲରୁ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିଛି। 35 ବର୍ଷ ହେଲା ଦହିବରା ବ୍ୟବସାୟ ମୁଁ ଆରମ୍ଭ କଲିଣି, କିନ୍ତୁ ସାଇକେଲରେ ବି ଯେମିତି ଲୋକଙ୍କର ଡିମାଣ୍ଡ ଥିଲା, ଆଜି ମୁଁ ଠେଲା ଗାଡ଼ି କରିକି ନ୍ୟାସନାଲ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରିଟ୍ ଫୁଡ୍ ଫେଷ୍ଟିଭାଲରେ ଆୱାର୍ଡ ଜିତୁଛି। ସେଥିରେ ବି ଲୋକଙ୍କର ବି ଡିମାଣ୍ଡ ଅଛି। କଷ୍ଟମରଙ୍କର ମାନେ ଯେତେ ଗ୍ରାହକ ଅଛନ୍ତି ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର ଭଲ ପାଇବା। ପଦ୍ମଶ୍ରୀ ସଞ୍ଜୀବ କାପୁର ସାର୍ ସିଏ ବି ଦହିବରା ଆଳୁଦମ ଖାଇକି ଯେହେତୁ କହିଲେ ଦହିବରା ଆଳୁଦମ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆର ସବୁଠୁ ଭଲ ଖାଇବା, ସେ ହିନ୍ଦୀରେ କହିଲେ ଅବଶ୍ୟ, ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଆମେ ଆୱାର୍ଡ ପାଇଲୁ। ଆଉ ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ, ଦହିବରା ଆପଣ ଖାଇଲେ ବି ଜାଣିପାରିବେ ଏଇଟା ଦହିବରା ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଗୋଟେ ଘୁଗୁନି ମଟରରେ ତିଆରି ହଉଛି, ସେଟା ମସଲା ଦିଆକି ତିଆରି ହଉଛି, ଏଟା ଘୁଗୁନି କୁହନ୍ତି। ଏଟା ଘୁଗୁନି ଦିଆହଉଛି, ଗୋଟେ ଆଳୁଦମରେ ଆଳୁଦମ କରାହଉଛି, ଏଟା ସବୁ ମିକ୍ସ ହେଇକି ଗୋଟେ କମ୍ବିନେସନ, ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ସେ ବହୁତ ଟେଷ୍ଟ ତାର ଅଲଗା ପ୍ରକାର ଟିକେ କ୍ୱାଲିଟି ଲାଗିବ। ଆଉ ଯାହା ହେଲେ କୃଷକ ବଜାରକୁ ଆସିଲେ ଜାଣିପାରିବେ ଯେ ବାବୁଲା ଭାଇ ଦହିବରା ଆଳୁଦମ ଗାଡ଼ି ଲାଗୁଛି କୋଉଠି।
So let's give it a try. And we are at Srinath Sahu Dahibara stall at Kanikachak. So let's give it a try. What speciality
Because
they
I
have.
am only here because of Prachi to taste the great dahi vadas over here.
The flavors, they're so balanced. That vada is so soft, tangy, spicy.
Also the taste of the aloo-dum.
Yeah, it's also very balanced, not too spicy.
And also the sev is homemade.
Yeah, the frames are homemade, and it tastes good. It's I would suggest do come and
And taste this dahi vada over here at Kanikachak.
Taste like I've been a regular customer to here. Yeah, I just like its taste. I'm a total dahi vada fan, so I just can't describe like what's the particular thing that I like about dahi vada. It's just overall I love dahi vada.
What's your favorite memory here? Like you say, you come every day. You are a regular customer.
Once I came, I was famished and I ate 2 plates of dahi vada. Yeah, I remember that time. That was the that's the maximum time I ate. That's it. Yeah, that's the core memory I have of this place.
କଟକର ତ ମାନେ ମୁଖ୍ୟ ଖାଦ୍ୟ କହିବାକୁ ଗଲେ ଦହିବରା ଆଳୁଦମ। ଯେହେତୁ ଦହିବରା ଆଳୁଦମ ମୁଖ୍ୟ ଖାଦ୍ୟ, ଆମେମାନେ ଆମ ବାପା ବି ଆଗରୁ କରୁଥିଲେ। ବାପା ଆସିକି ଯାହାହେଲେ ବି 40 ବର୍ଷ ପରେ କଲେଣି, ଆମେ ବି ଆସିକି 3-4 ବର୍ଷ ହେଇଗଲାଣି। ଆମେ ଚାହୁଁଛୁ ଦହିବରାଟା ଯେତେ ଜଲ୍ଦି GI ଟ୍ୟାଗ ମାନ୍ୟତାଟା ପାଇଯାଉ। GI ଟ୍ୟାଗ ମାନ୍ୟତାଟା ପାଇଗଲେ କ'ଣ ଆମ ଦହିବରାଟା ମାନେ ପ୍ରମୁଖ ଖାଦ୍ୟଟା ବି ଜଣାପଡ଼ିଯିବ। ଏଇଟା ହେଉଛି ପ୍ରମୁଖ ଖାଦ୍ୟ ହେଉଛି କଟକ ସହରର। ଆଉ ସମସ୍ତେ ତ ଦହିବରା ବିକୁଛନ୍ତି, ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର କ୍ୱାଲିଟି ଆମ କ୍ୱାଲିଟି ବି ବହୁତ ଛାଡ଼ିବ। ଆମର ଲୋକେସନଟା ହେଲା ନିୟର ପେଟ୍ରୋଲ ପମ୍ପ କନିକା ଛକ, ରେଣୁକା ଆପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ, ଟ୍ରେନାସ ଦହିବରା ଆଳୁଦମ। ଆପଣ ଆସିକି ଖାଆନ୍ତୁ, ଥରେ ଟେଷ୍ଟ କରନ୍ତୁ, ତାପରେ ଜାଣିବେ ତାର କ୍ୱାଲିଟି କ'ଣ, ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଭଲ ଲାଗିବ ଖାଇବାକୁ।
It's so delicious, so yummy. But I'm still in search of Rajeshri. She just vanished in between our food. Let's go and find her. Prachi, in every lane, in every plate, the dahi vada tells the story of Cuttack, right?
Yes. And as you guys know, when we talk about Cuttack, one thing comes to our mind is that food. And in food, it comes dahi vada aloo-dum. Yes, of course.
The one and only delicious food of Cuttack, the iconic food.
So I hope you guys also enjoyed with us. Me and Rajeshri, we both have enjoyed a lot. We are so much full.
And I just can't express my feelings because my heart, my stomach, everything is so full, Prachi.
We are so full. And regarding views or regarding opinions, every place differed from each other and taste varied.
And also every stall has their own traditions.
Yes, we also expect you guys
To come to Cuttack and definitely try the dahi vada over here.
and let us know in the comments that have you guys also tried the places we tried? If not, then do go. And yes, one more thing. You know what, Rajeshri?
What?
If our audience gives a view or a location to visit to their favorite location, then we would go and explore your place with yummy, delicious foods. So
don't forget to comment the places you want us to visit.
And till then,
Stay tuned to Orissa Post Live for more such contents.
and this is Prachi and this is
Rajeshri